Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing a camera comparison between Xiaomi's latest smartphone Mi 10 and iPhone 11. You can also click over here to see the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi 10. We all know that iPhone has a class-leading camera. On the rear, iPhone 11 has a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. It also has a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.4 aperture. From the rear camera, it can shoot 4K videos with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, iPhone has a 12 megapixel wide-angle selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The good thing is that iPhone can record from the front camera also 4K videos with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. Now let's talk about Xiaomi Mi 10. On the rear, it has a quad-core camera setup with the main camera of 108 megapixel with 1.7 aperture. It also has a wide-angle lens of 12 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. There is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And also there is a 2 megapixel macro sensor for macro shots. You can shoot 4K with 60 and 30 frames per second. It has a great optical image stabilization on 4K 30, but unfortunately there is no stabilization on 4K 60. Now one of the great things about this smartphone, it has a super steady stabilization mode on 1080p videos with 30 frames per second, which is really excellent. It can give you some GoPro quality of footage. If this is not enough, Xiaomi is giving you 8K 30 frames per second video recording option. Unfortunately, there is no stabilization electronic or optical in 8K, but still I will say kudos to Xiaomi for at least including this feature. On the front, it has a 20 megapixel selfie camera with f2.3 aperture. Unfortunately, it cannot shoot 4K videos from the front camera, just like some of the competitors. But the biggest downside is there is no stabilization for the front camera, which makes the videos from the front camera unusable if you're moving. Now let's enjoy some sample images and videos shot from this amazing smartphone. Pictures from Xiaomi is a bit more saturated, but it does take some great pictures. In some pictures, night mode on Xiaomi is a bit more aggressive than iPhone. So this is an 8K footage. Unfortunately, there is no electronic or optical image stabilization in the 8K footage in Mi 10. But definitely the image is quite sharp and quite detailed. But for some odd reason, it looks like a 6K footage which has been upscaled to 8K. This is the 4K video 60 frames per second camera comparison between Xiaomi Mi 10 and iPhone 11. Let me know in the comments which is more stable and which quality you like the most. iPhone looks more brighter, but I can see more details on Mi 10. Now this is a 4K 30 frames per second video comparison between iPhone 11 and Mi 10. Let's see how's the stabilization in 4K. I must say Xiaomi is doing a tremendous job in terms of the stabilization of video. So this is a video comparison between both the devices. Now Xiaomi Mi 10 has a super steady mode on 1080p video recording. Let me run a bit. I think the super steady mode is doing an excellent job. I'm really impressed with the stabilization on videos, especially 1080p videos with super stabilized mode. Now this is the video recording between iPhone 11 and Xiaomi Mi 10. Now both the smartphones can record 4K 30 frames per second. Let me know in the comments which camera you like more for photos and videos. You can click over here to join the poll running here and vote for your favorite smartphone. iPhone 11 footage is slightly more brighter. That's all for this video, guys. If you have reached till here, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.